What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Kay.
Trey.
So today we have a Krystal mukbang. I have fries and the Krystal chicks. What you got, Trey?
I got Krystals, and I also got chili cheese fries.
Alright, to drink we both have a Sprite. Alright, so let's get started. I hope everybody been having a good day. Trey, how your day been so far?
Good.
Alright. Got my ketchup, y'all.
Got my Sprite.
Chili cheese. You know, them chili cheese fries straight got look good, y'all. You know what? I'm finna taste this chili cheese fries. I don't put much cheese. There you go. They're good, y'all. Now I have the chicks, like pickle and mayonnaise, but it's not enough for me. Add a little bit of ketchup to that.
So good.
First bite. I'm gonna let y'all have that first bite. Go ahead, take a bite. Okay.
I better have some meat left on this one.
Now, it's my first time having Krystal cheese. It tastes alright. And sometimes you have to switch it up on what you eat. You want the fork?
Yes, please.
Alright, y'all. So Thanksgiving coming up. Hope everybody getting prepared for that.
Yes. and I am. We just got school. The Monday and Tuesday, I have 5 days off.
So, the main break time coming up. I hope everybody prepared and ready for family time. Because that's when family coming to town. I hope everybody have a good day that day. So, I know I'm looking forward to spending time with my family. So, Trey over here is in 3rd grade. On the road student. Proud of him for that. Wow. This is my first and only child. And it seemed like he came into my life at the perfect time. Because once I moved out from Ed's house, I became a rebel. I was young and wild and living on my own. So, I thank God that he came into my life when he did, because I was wild, big time. When he was born, well, I had a C-section, y'all. Next time I had to have a C-section, I cried. My first time ever having a major surgery. Or should I say surgery, period. So, I cried when they told me I had to have surgery. But, this joker was born 8 pounds, 10 ounces. Big baby. But I enjoy every moment that I get with my son. I'm going to continue to enjoy every moment from beginning to end.
I'm like full already.
I'm full?
Yes.
I'm not eating no more. He don't get full, y'all. But that's my baby. And like I said, I'm continuing to enjoy my moments.
I might just save this till tomorrow. I think I ate enough for today.
But being a parent being a parent is not easy. I don't know whoever said it was, but it's not. Especially when you have them nights where they up crying at 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. You like, oh my God, I just went to sleep. It's hard, y'all. For real.
Do we have any napkins?
It's a hard job. No, we don't. It's a hard job, but somebody got to do it. And I'm doing it. So, it's not easy at all. So when they say it takes a village, believe it. It really does take a village, y'all. But he's a good kid overall. He's very helpful. When you need him, he there. Pretty smart kid. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Ain't he know about equity?
Yes, equity means money.
There you go. How many little kids y'all don't know about equity? When I found out he knew what that meant, I was shocked. Huh, boy, who taught you that word? I couldn't believe it.
And our response was, off TV, it just said it. On Teen Titans Go. It do give you knowledge of new things and other things. Like how to count, add, and subscribe.
So he liked to watch this cartoon called
Teen Titans.
Teen Titans. Little superheroes, and they drop a lot of knowledge on this show, so they do pretty good about the kids.
But that's one part to be aware of. It's kind of funny, but not learning entertainment like that. But it is funny for entertainment.
He says for entertainment, y'all. That's a little knowledge about Trey. Y'all see him, make sure he get in a video every chance he get. He be like, Mom, you doing a video today? I'm gonna do it. So, I let him hop in with him around. Nose trying to run, y'all.
I might be able to clean the whole plate instead of me today.
Yeah, I done ate all my food. I'm hungry, y'all.
I kind of like I already ate, but not really. That's
So,
why I'm full right now.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell for your post notifications to be reminded each and every time we post a new video. That being said, a kiss for those who need a kiss. Mwah. A hug for those who need a hug. Put your arm around yourself and squeeze real tight. And if you see it next to something bad, reach out and give them a hug and a kiss. Mwah. Love y'all. See you next video. Bye.
Bye.